Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this mechanism in SolidWorks. So let's start. So I'm in the assembly mode and I'm going to make all my parts in assembly in the assembly mode. First click on here, click on new part, click OK and select the front plane. Make sure no external references is checked on else you will face issues while doing assembly. Press Ctrl+8 for normal skin to the view. Now draw the drawing as I'm showing. Now select Smart Dimension and give it a dimension. You can do as per your requirements or you can just copy as I'm showing. 70, 75, 5, 30. Now go here and what I will do, I will revolve base pose. Select this. Just you know that I have to mirror on this side as well, but I'm not doing right now because I'm going to make one more part and just to make sure that it is correct. After that, I will come back to this part and do the changes. So exit the assembly component mode, click on here, new part, okay, and select the front plane. Now press Ctrl+8 for normal skin to the view. Click on sketch. Make sure no external reference is checked on. Press the escape key. Select this line. Make sure it's horizontal. As you can see, horizontal symbol is showing. If it is not showing the relations, click on here and click on this perpendicular icon. It will show all the relations in your sketch. Now give it angle of 30 degree. Make it 20 mm. Make it 55. Make this 5.08 and features revolve space pose. Select this, click OK. So we got our two parts. That's good. Now I will make this one properly. So I will select this component part and I think I can go with the mirror command. So select any select a face. So I select this face. Features that I want to mirror, this one. Click OK. So I got a shape something like this. Seems good to me. Now I will select this face. Click on sketch. Draw the shape as I'm showing. 50 features extrude, 5 mm. After that I'll select the face again. Click on sketch. Mm, Make it 25 mm. Make it 50 mm. Let's see. 50 mm is fine, I think. Click OK. Now mirror. Mirror about the part 1. This plane. The features that I want to mirror are these two features. Click OK. It's there. That's a good thing. Now exit the SN component mode. Select this. Click on edit components. Select the face. Click on sketch. Uh, Make it 50. Extrude 5 mm. Select this face. Click on sketch. Notice that this circle is not concentric with this one. So by pressing Ctrl select this circle and select this edge. Make sure it's concentric. Now it's look good. Oh, I forgot to give it a dimension. So give it a dimension as per your requirement. In my case, 25 mm is fine for me. Features, extrude. Let's say 100 mm. Click OK. Now I will make a structure around it to hold these parts. So let's see how I will approach this. So click on here, click on new part OK, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. One thing that you need to always remember, no external references is checked on, else you will face problem. For those who don't know what kind of problem, uncheck the no external reference and face your own. You will realize mistakes are your best friends, always remember. Make it vertical. 150, 30, 190, not 190, 200, 220 things fine because they are going to move upward and downwards, so I have to control that as well. What can I can do is better ways. I can just calculate the distance and based on that I can fix it. Let's make it 200 and I will see if there is an issue or not in the drawing. And features, extrude, mid plane. Thickness is 10 mm is fine, just reverse direction. And it's not 100 mm. I think we can reduce it to 40 mm is fine for me. Click OK. Select this face, click on sketch. Draw the circle here. Features, extrude cut through all. And one more thing that I can do is I think let's see sketch. Reverse direction 10 mm. Click OK. Select the face, click on sketch and draw a circle here like this. After that, draw a shape like this and features, extrude cut through all. Okay. Okay, one more issue. While extruding, I forgot to add a one more circle here because it filled the hole that we have created. So that's the issue. Now here, click on here, sketch. Here we don't have too much work more hard. Just make a circle here and it will be done. And give it extrusion of 10 mm reverse direction. Now select this face, click on sketch. Here I will create the hole at the center of it. 25 mm. Features, extrude cut, all okay, that's good. Exit it. Select this and right click and click on fix. So this part is fixed. Now all other parts are moving. Now I will use mates to align them correctly. Select this and this face. Make sure it's tangent. Looks good. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. So this one will go up and down as you can see. But how I will to visualize whether it's rotating or not, that's the issue for me. So what I will do, I will select this, click on edit component, and I will select the front plane, click on sketch. I will draw a arrow shape. You can draw arrow shape any dimension as per your requirements. It's not necessary that you copy the same drawing and dimension. Select this and this one, make it collinear. Now features, exit the sketch first, wrap, plane, cut, 0.5. Notice a cut is there. That basically help us to visualize whether it's rotating or not. So if I exit the sketch mode, you can see it's rotating or not. That's a very beneficial thing for us. Similarly, I have to create one more here. So click on here. Let's make it a conical one here because it can be created easily and faster. Escape and exit the sketch mode. Wrap command. Face 0.5 mm cut. Okay. Now that will be easier for us to visualize. As you can see, it's easier. Select this and let's change the color so that better visualization will be there. So paint it and car. First like this, press Ctrl plus 8. Oh, sorry, my bad. Select this, Ctrl plus 8. Now it's look like the mechanism that we have seen in the earlier version. Now one more thing, that there is no drill bit here, so let's make it as well. Select this, add component, select the face, click on sketch, make it 15 mm, make it 5 mm. Okay, now I will make a drill bit as a separate part. So click on here, new part. Okay, front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. 2.5 mm, 60 degree, 60 mm, revolve boss base, and I will give a metallic color of polished gold, I guess. Exit it, move it downwards. Now here's the thing that we are going to learn, that how much we need to go up so that it touches correctly. So let's see. So what I will do, I will evaluate first. Sorry, before I evaluate, I have to make it perfect condition. So I will select this face and this face and make sure no valid mate is there. That's strange. I thought tangent will be work. Okay, tangent will also not work. Okay. So I will make a rough. So I think this much. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, and this one is fine. Okay, as you can see, interfering. So move downwards up to here. Okay, this much is good. So go here, evaluate measure. So this face and this face. So what is the minimum distance? Normal distance is 22.07. So so you can see this is a normal distance. Uh, with the correct face, clear selection. Let's go here this face. Select this face and this face. Now let's see the normal distance. 12.07. So the minimum distance is 12.07. Okay, that's good. 12.07 is the minimum distance, and the maximum distance will be maximum distance 12.07. 12.07 is that is one, and maximum distance is 48.226. 12.07 and 12.07 and 48.26. Minimum is 12.07 and maximum is 48.26. 48.26. Select the face. Something is wrong here. Let's make it one ratio 25 by 25 mm. Click OK. And if I rotate it, you can see they are working fine. And I will move it up and down. So I will select this, press Ctrl plus 8. One more thing, when it's upward, the direction will be something else. When it's downwards, direction will be reverse, even though it's rotating in the same direction. So how I can switch it? Uh, that's a thing I have to think. Okay, let's see. What can I do? I can't use that motor one. So let's delete the gear mate because it will create issue. So I will go here in the animation tab, press Ctrl plus 8. So first select a motor, select this, and as you can see it's rotating in this direction. So let's decrease the RPM to 30 or 20 RPM. Click OK. Move upward. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, and let's increase this timeline to 12 seconds. Right click and disable this thing. Press Ctrl plus 8. Now first select the motor, select this, and make it 20 RPM as well. Click OK, and I think this is the motor. Yeah. So I will go to the 4 seconds, right click, click on off. So motor will be off at the 4 seconds. Okay, and after the 4 seconds, I will use linear actuator. Select this and distance. Distance will be 38.26 upward, and it will start at 4 and at 5. Let's see for now if that distance is working right now or not. Yeah, up to that much is fine. For two in actuator distance. Okay, it's not 5 seconds. It is just duration. So it is just 1 seconds. Okay, it's stop working because there's nothing after that. So I will go to the 5 seconds. Right click off because my motor will be linear active mode will be shut down at 5 seconds. Okay, great. Is it? Let's make exactly 5 seconds. Let's add a new motor here. Don't worry about the issue because main aim is just to create the animation and not anything else. So reverse is direction, no distance, constant speed 20 rpm, and it will start. Okay, 0. It will travel, let's say 720 degree. It will start at 5 seconds and duration will be how many seconds you want. Let's say 5 seconds. It is the total duration, not how, where it ends. So if I click calculate, okay, what was the issue? The motor was, starts at, I have to bring this up to here. Now it will work. So if I click calculate again, motor is rotating, correct. Now it's forward, it is still rotating. That's great. Now I got the proper animation. Now let's increase the motor speeds. So I will go here and make it uh, 80 rpm. Repeat this step to other motors as well. 80 rpm. Right click. 5000. Calculate. So you can see it's working fine. So in that way we have created our animation. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. The main aim is just to create how to animation. And someone would say, hey, that I use some parameters, etc. I can do the physical simulation as well, but that's a high thing. So main aim is just to approach the goals. We have done it. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day.